Morning guys, this is the start of a new week. It is Friday the 2nd of February. Me and the girls are now off to Asda because we have got a shopping list of things we need to buy. It is chucking it down. It's 10:30 and I've kind of been sat here for like the last hour waiting for the rain to ease off because we've got stuff to do, but it's not. And my weather says that it's not raining, so that my weather literally says for where I live. You gonna focus? It just says like sunny with clouds, and like look, it's pissing it down. So I've got no idea if it's gonna stop raining or not, so we're just gonna have to go out and do it because we got shit to do. So yeah, me and the girls are now going out. We will see you in Asda. Guys, we just got back from Asda. You came on our little Asda trip with us. I will show you guys, oh my god, what we got. I'm just giving the dog some gravy bones because he's been a good boy. The girls are just here playing on the tablets while I make their lunch. So yeah, just got some groceries. I got a new toothpaste to test. Supposed to be really good, and it's supposed to, like, I think this is the one that's, yeah, it's supposed to remove stains in 3 days. So I can't really show you too much because there's some secret stuff in there. I got the girls some new vitamins, so we'll go and see if they like them. These are the only ones I've seen that have got like the age on them for both of them. Like, it's quite a lot of them. You have like 0 to 3 or 0 to 2, and they're like, you can't even see it, 0 to 3, 0 to 2, and they're like, it's like a liquid, but it tastes absolutely disgusting. I won't eat it. But this one says kids, and it's for age 1 to oh, it says 4 and over. So yeah, and it says they're good for adults as well. So these are on 3 for 2. So let's go and see what they think. And I thought they might like them because they're little bears, so let's see. Can I have some testers for my vitamins, please? Okay. Little bears. A little orange bear. You gonna try him? And here's Ari's little orange bear. Wow. You try him? What do you think?
Yummy.
Yummy? What do you think, little fish? Let me see. Oh, she likes it. How much do you like it? 5? 10? How much do you like it, Ari? You gonna hide? Do you want to film a video tomorrow doing Mummy's makeup? You want to do Mummy's makeup? Or do you want to do Daddy's makeup?
Daddy.
Daddy's. What do you want to do, Ari? Mummy or Daddy's?
Mummy.
Mummy's. Okay, you do Mummy's makeup, you do Daddy's makeup, yeah? Good job? What do you want for lunch? What do you want for lunch? Is it stuck in your teeth? Is it yummy? Is it stuck? What's it taste like? Orange?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you want for lunch? Tastes very good. Right, Mummy's going to make you lunch.
Yummy, yummy.
What you got for lunch? What is it?
Pot pie.
Pot pie and
Eggs.
dippy eggs.
Lettuce and toast.
And a big bowl of fruit.
And bubble gummy.
What have you got?
Look at this.
You got crackers? What is it?
Bubble guppies.
Bubble guppies. Awesome. What have you got? Crackers and cheese and fruit. Delicious. Your tablet's going to fall off if you move your juice. So put your tablet down. Look, just for a minute. And then drink that. And then rebalance. These just look delicious. Dippy eggs. Mummy did a good job. Mummy's just going to taste this one.
No!
Oh.
Okay, you taste it.
Mummy, taste it and see if it's poison. Mmm, not poison. It's delicious.
Yeah. You want it?
I love dippy eggs. Do you need a wee? Do you need a wee? No. Successful lunch there. Hopefully Ari will just actually eat rather than she just licks the butter off crackers. So I'm gonna go and make my lunch because it's nearly 1 o'clock and I'm hungry as fudge. Morning guys, it's Tuesday. It is the 6th of February. But it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh! I've been up for a couple of hours. I've had a couple of cups of coffee, decaf. The girls are playing. Mika's only just got up like 10 minutes ago. I have to clean the kitchen because I've got cooking to do today. I want to make some chilli for tomorrow and then we're having roast chicken tonight. So I need to do some cleaning. And the kitchen has gone to ruin. So I'm going to do that. And then we might do some cooking. What's happening? What's happening?
No.
What's happening outside?
It's snowing.
It's very, very tiny snow.
I want to pick.
You think it might turn into big snow?
I want to pick snowdrops.
You can't pick the snowdrops because they're in the garden to look pretty. What do you think of the snow? Is it exciting?
Yeah.
If it gets big snow, it might settle because the floor's dry. Is that good?
Yeah.
Wow, you tell me, you keep me updated if it starts to snow more, okay?
Okay. Then the mud mixed
Gonna turn into big snow?
Yeah, and bigger and bigger.
And then you're gonna make a snowman?
Yeah, snowman like a carrot nose.
A carrot nose, that sounds cool. You fell down. Where are we going, girls? Nope. No what? We're gonna go to the post office, aren't we? And the shop. And where else? Fairy? I was talking about. You right there, little fish? You okay?
Yeah.
I've got the most sore lips. I need to get some Blistex when I'm at the I'm going to the pharmacy and the post office and the charity shop. The what? I don't know what you're saying, baby. And it's still snowing a little bit. Not a lot. It says it's only 1 degree outside, but it feels really warm. So yeah, we're gonna go. Oh, that was a big yawn. It's Friday and I realised I haven't hardly vlogged at all this week and I am sorry about that. I meant to and then I just kept forgetting. I'm just rubbish. I've been really busy with my cards this week, so that is the excuse that I'm using. It's the week before Valentine's Day, so it's always nice and busy before. So that is what I'm going with this week. It's just been a little bit hectic. However, I have got a couple of bits I'm going to show you guys. This was sent to me by a lovely subscriber who doesn't want to be named, which is perfectly fine. And she sent these from the Lipstick Queen, which is I think Space NK. Is it Space NK? I'm pretty sure it's Space NK. Am I being thick? Yeah, especially for you. And it just says, to Lucy, thank you so much for always being yourself. Love from, and then her name. So Space NK is there. And firstly, I've got some little samples. I've got this Skin Perfected Overnight Wake Wonderful Nighttime Facial, and it's like supposed to be an exfoliating and brightening effect of our unique acid enzyme complex is delivered to the skin on application. Glycerin and magnesium take over to revitalize and boost skin cell vitality, and then sodium lactate kicks in to gradually raise skin pH. So apparently after just one sleep, skin radiance dramatically improved by 40%. Over 80% of women agree their skin was softer and smoother and brighter, and measurements using Primos 3D showed a reduction in wrinkle depth by 11%. So it sounds really cool. I might give that a go. And then also another sample was a New Face Prep and Glow Cleanse, Exfoliate, Hydrate. I think this is like a cleansing cloth. A dual-sided cloth that removes makeup and impurities, enriched with hyaluronic acid, antioxidants and minerals for a beautifully refreshed and radiant skin. So that's exciting. And then Dr. Lip, this stuff just looks amazing. I've got really chapped lips today, so I think I'm going to use it. And it's the original nipple balm for lips. And it says a miracle balm, 100% natural for dry skin, luscious lips and glossy bits. So it's really cute packaging on that. But the thing she sent me, the first one is this Lipstick Queen, and this is a gloss. And this is in the colour, what colour are you? Envy. It looks really cool. And it is a beautiful plum gloss. Really, really pretty. And then the other thing that she sent me is this, which is a transformative trio. And these are, this is really weird, like I didn't know that she was sending these, and she didn't know that I'd done the video on the colour changing lipsticks, but these are more colour changing lipsticks. These are beautiful, like the packaging on these is just gorgeous. These are minis, so this is what they look like. Really cute. And then you've got Hello Sailor, which is a blue one. I'm not going to use these now because I will do a video on these because I think they're really interesting. This one is the Frog Prince. And then the final one is Morning Sunshine, which I just think is awesome. It's yellow. That's super cool. So thank you so much for those, and I cannot wait to test them. They're just so cute and so pretty. What else has happened this week? I don't even know. Oh, I got my this stuff I got. Where did I get this? I want to say from a box, but I can't remember what one. But this is a 15ml sample of the Glycolic Fix serum from Nip and Fab, which I've absolutely been loving. It's so nice. Yeah, I got it from my powder beauty drawer. And I got this, how long ago was that? On the 19th of January, and I've been using it every day since, and it's very nearly empty. But I think this retails for around about £16, and I sort of said to you guys, if anyone knows where this is cheap at the moment, let me know. And someone said it's on Amazon for £5. So it arrived yesterday, which is super exciting. And it's in a, it's like in a pump kind of doodad. So yeah, that will get used as soon as this one. I'm going to cut this one open. I'm not going to waste any because I really like it. And it's basically a highly effective serum with powerful glycolic acid to improve skin texture, smooth and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, pore away visibly, reduce the appearance of pores for a more refined, even complexion. 4% glycolic acid. Pore away minimises the appearance of enlarged pores, and aloe vera soothes and calms. So massage under clean skin, allowed to absorb thoroughly. And I would definitely say you put it on and your skin feels really sticky and like, and I really like it, and it's definitely improved my texture around here. So I'm really happy for a £5. I'll link it on Amazon if it's still available. It's on Amazon Prime. think that's all I've got to tell you today. I'm sorry this was a really short vlog. Yeah, I'm really sorry. This weekend I think we've got something fun planned, so we will go and do some bits and take you with us, and I'll remember to film more when I'm out. Like last weekend started off really good. Like last Friday I was on it and I was in Asda and I did all the filming, and then I just kind of this week I just got rubbish and forgot, so I'm sorry. And I am thinking I'm going to do like an intermittent giveaway, not something massive, but I thought I might maybe next month order an extra beauty box and give that away as a little thank you for all of you lot for supporting me. Well, not all of you lot, can't buy everyone one, I'd love to buy everybody one, but just as a thank you for one person. So yeah, but I'll keep you updated on that. So I'm gonna go because I'm just rambling now. If you like my vlog videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. There is lots of awesome videos coming. Well, I think they're awesome anyway. Soon, so stick around for those, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.